morning, what is up? I woke up to this beautiful package. This is basically all of my, green screen types of things, umbrella, lighting. So now I kind of feel like I'm just a whole part of the newer crew with my previous ring light. This room is coming together, a lot of work, but right now I'm just mainly focused on trying to figure out the set. Like, this ain't easy. So currently this is like one of these, what do you call these things? Like, what are they? So I'm currently just trying to make a setup to kind of film in, just so I could get the ball rolling with my filming so I can stay on top of that. Alright guys, and this is with two of these, I don't know if these are umbrellas or are these soft boxes? Soft box lighting, but no, I'm literally in heaven right now, in lighting heaven right now. I feel like filming like this is so much better, so I can't wait, I can't wait! What is up guys? Alright, so new environment, not done yet, but I am super excited to get back into filming. Lighting is a little bit different in here. I showed you guys, me kind of trying to set up, these things. So hopefully it's looking pretty good. I feel like I'm not so harsh. I feel like I have a little bit more of a balance going on and a little bit more of a, dare I say, professional look. I don't even freaking know what I'm saying. This is just two of these soft boxes right now. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. I could set up my ring light, but I figured this was pretty cool. I do want to try one more little background effect. Does that give me a little bit more of a professional vibe, a little background drop? I don't know. Does that do something? All right, so if I stay still like this, this kind of gives me like a look. I am beyond freaking obsessed, guys.
Beyond obsessed. I'm so grateful, so happy
for my family just supporting me and really believing in me. It's freaking awesome, like freaking awesome. So I think today I'm just gonna kind of take you guys on a little get ready with me. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy or whatever, just a little get ready with me in terms of
literally just quickly getting ready with me. Like,
I'm gonna run errands today. Grandma's coming over. We're gonna go to the bar, get a little drink. Maybe I'll take you guys there. I don't know yet, but not with this camera, probably just with an iPhone because I'm overdue for a haircut, but as you guys can see from a week ago when I posted, this hair has grown a lot. Like, I have
magic hair, like chia
type of hair, so it just grows, like, and my cat has come to visit. Hey, dummy. Kiss on camera. No, okay. Oh, since I'm still in the process of moving, I am gonna go in with the same makeup bin that I had before. So just wanna do something quick. I'm gonna start off with my Clinique Pep Start. This I love. This gives a nice blur to the skin and it really makes the skin look as flawless as
possible.
I'll just take the cap. I'm the only one that uses this, so yeah. Am I the only one who's been having really dry skin, eyelids, and like just eczema looking stuff this season? I hope not. Right, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop in medium dark 36 and a little bit of medium dark 32. Like that. I'm gonna use like a kabuki instead of a sponge to blend out today. Yeah, this is making me a little tan, but we're gonna work with it because I'd rather be tan than too pale. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go in and brighten up my under eye with a little bit of La Crème Mercier with a e.l.f. I think this is the total body and or total face sponge. It's gonna take a little bit of that. Kind of use that to brighten up the under eye area, center of the forehead, down the nose, side of the nose, and pretty much everywhere
on the face.
I'm gonna take an angled brush or this brush that I used before and kind of use that with the NC45 powder just to kind of blend and diffuse all of the highlight, but also give my face a little bit of color back. Awesome sauce. I'm gonna take another kind of stippling brush and just kind of dust off the powder like that. So, are we looking okay?
I think so, maybe. I don't even really know, but
The one thing I do know is that these bags are not going away. So I'm gonna need like an island of sleep for that. I'm gonna go on with this little cute Becca blush. So can't find my setting spray, that is a-okay. We're gonna leave this as is, being that this is a natural look. So I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'm gonna start heading out for the day. But I literally just wanted to catch up with you guys, let you guys know that I am still alive, very much so alive, and you know, just a lot of changes has been happening. So that's pretty much where we're at. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate that. If you are enjoying this content, please let me know down below. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. I always and will greatly appreciate that. So until next time, see you later, guys.